What happens that finance team spend significant time collecting data from multiple systems, reconciling figures, validating numbers, and preparing monthly financial reports. This we all know. And those who are not using AI, they are doing the same. Manual data consolidation, last minute reporting deadlines. So today we have closing, we have to do everything, this. So a lot of issues, a lot of trouble. Like you are messing your life, you are messing from your home, you are getting calls and you say, no, I have closing. Anything happens, you have to be engaged. High risk of human errors, limited time of analysis. That's I just earlier explained. So what happens if you use AI solution? AI can automatically analyze trial balances, financial statement, and ERP export to generate executive-ready reports with commentary, trends, and key insights. So the benefit is faster month-end close, improve accuracy, automated narration reporting, more time for strategic analysis. So by involving AI, you can save time, you can do a lot of things. For example, data analytics before AI, it used to be like 6 hours if you are expert, but after AI, you can do it in 1 hour easily. Similarly, commentary writing, it used to take like 4 hours, but now you can do it in 30 minutes, and review cycle 2 hours, which you can do in 1 hour. So you are saving 9.5 hours a week, which means more than a day, and productivity improves 7%. Productivity includes your time saving, your accurate results, and the pressure you are taking on your mind and your health. So this AI is helping you. Whatever I'm saying about AI, it does not mean that it gives you 100% accurate result. That's why it is saying that after AI, it takes 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour. What does that mean? That you have to analyze that sometimes you are giving wrong prompt, and you are unable to give direction to this AI agent that what you are exactly looking for. So you have to train AI, you have to do a lot of things. If I go for these things, this will take a lot of time. So to save your time, I have written some prompts, ready-made to use AI prompt. You can note it down, or I will request Mr. Imran to share the slides with all of you, and you may ask me directly as well. So you have to write this, but just give you some idea that you have to give a role to the AI, that act as a senior financial analyst. Act as a, if you are making any asking any image to develop, you ask him act as a developer, and so on. So you have to actually give a role, then analyze the attached profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. You have to attach the file, and you have to write this completely. That you want executive summary, you want key financial highlights, significant variances, risks and opportunities, business recommendation. Unfortunately, I don't have time. The time is only 1 hour. Otherwise, I would have shown you live that how can we do this in seconds. So this prompt you can use, and this is I'm giving all of you an assignment that take any data and give this assignment, this prompt, and you will get the results in seconds.